covering one's mouth when sneezing or coughing. I know it's rainy season and there is rise in cold, cough, and sneezing everywhere. Come on, teach your kids. Teach them to cover their mouth when they are sneezing or coughing. They can do this with an handkerchief or cough into their elbow. It is good manners to turn your face away from people whenever you want to cough or sneeze. Let me also add that you should also teach them that picking their nose in public is considered rude and unpleasant. This is not just only a part of good manners, it is also good hygiene. Remember, manners matter.